Welcome back to new video. Today we will demonstrate about the Swagger API, and you know that we make our software systems with different platforms like Windows and Internet for web applications. So Swagger is a built-in criteria for .NET APIs, and they're having a five advantages like of other REST APIs. They are flexible and scalability is very high for large scale applications. Also, they are secure with implementing .NET Core dependencies and very easy for use. And for testings, you can make your APIs and test in your local server, then deploy. Interoperability is another key feature for RESTful APIs. So for using Swagger API, we will discuss about later how we install it. Then we will work on different projects. There are some benefits for using Swagger API, like consistency. They're having a simple design, and feedback is very high, and developers love to work in it. And also we can collaborate it with other developers and our partners for gaining a common goal. And we having also a documentation there. So let's start. Okay, first of all, we will open Visual Studio 2022 for creating a API environment. After that, we will create a new project, ASP.NET Core Web API. This is a option available for creating a new project. Here we will use and select .NET Core Web API. You can name anything related to your project. In project name, I am using like Demo Swagger. Installation, and let's start with this. I prefer like using hyphen and underscore for creating any name for any project. Leave the credentials as it is and create your project. Click on create. It will go to you. It will through land you the page in a like solution explorer. You have to test it first of all. Is the project is running correctly? So I hit the debugger point, and yeah, it is working locally. But Swagger is not running here. We need to embed it, and we use NuGet package manager and write it there. Swagger. This is a package manager built in Visual Studio 2022. You can install any dependencies or helpful installations. So I write it there, browse it, and I found that there are a lot of Swagger ASP.NET Core extensions there. I use this one, ASP.NET Core only, and I accept policies. There are other extensions available, but I use this one for running a smooth Swagger application. Okay, I go to Program.cs class file. There are a lot of other files there which we need to having a change. So I first of all go to properties, launch settings.json, where I found HTTPS tag in this file, and in a launch browser, I make it true, and launch URL, I type it Swagger. In app settings.json, I found this file. Okay. We having other coding change here. like to embed Swagger and it make it happen to run in our local browser. So for that, we write builder services. Like this is a class library with having a services there, lot of methods there. I use add method, add endpoints, API Explorer, and also builder.services dot add Swagger gen. These two services, I need to embed these two services. Now I write app.run, uh, app.use Swagger, and app.use Swagger UI. These two applications I need to use for running my Swagger API. These are the changes. These are few changes I do. Now you can see we having a running our Swagger application here. Thanks for watching. I will create a new project and other API methods there. So stay tuned. Thank you.